Welcome to kidsplot.com. Enjoy this story and share with your friends. Let's start the story. In a vibrant galaxy filled with living colors, Twinkle, a curious stardust creature, sets out on a courageous mission to restore balance to the fading cosmic canvas. Armed with a magical paintbrush bestowed upon them by the mysterious Great Palette, Twinkle encounters a mischievous group of paint-loving aliens who have been causing chaos across the cosmos. Twinkle faces a series of chromatic challenges while traversing the galaxy in search of the paint-loving aliens. Each challenge presents Twinkle with an opportunity to learn new techniques and gain a deeper understanding of the power held within their magical paintbrush. Along the way, Twinkle discovers that the aliens' actions are not driven by malicious intent but rather a thirst for creativity and self-expression. Guided by the Great Palette's wisdom, Twinkle and the paint-loving aliens journey to a hidden planet where the Wise Elder resides. The Wise Elder reveals the long-forgotten history of the cosmic canvas and the true purpose of Twinkle's mission. It is revealed that the fading of the cosmic canvas is not a mere accident but a consequence of the delicate balance between chaos and harmony. Armed with newfound knowledge and a renewed sense of purpose, Twinkle, the paint-loving aliens, and their newfound friends embark on a quest to revive the brilliance of the cosmic canvas. They travel to different corners of the galaxy, using Twinkle's magical paintbrush and the aliens' unique artistic talents to restore the vibrant colors that have been lost. As Twinkle and their companions journey together, they form strong bonds and deep friendships. Along the way, they also encounter the Cosmic Guardians, who, moved by their determination and selflessness, join their cause. Together, they paint magnificent landscapes, breathe life into the fading stars, and renew hope within the hearts of inhabitants across the galaxy. After countless trials, Twinkle and their diverse group of allies succeed in reviving the brilliance of the cosmic canvas. The galaxy once again shines with an array of vibrant hues, illuminating the beauty and interconnectedness of all living beings. Through their cosmic journey, Twinkle and their friends learn the importance of embracing individuality, expressing themselves freely, and preserving the ever-changing balance of creativity. The end.